y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today's tutorial is all about how to use the holographic adhesive vinyl that I placed on this cup. Now, it's probably hard to read because the lights reflect off of it so much, but it says "Stay Trippy, Little Hippie." This is Nadia's cup and Nadia's design. This design is available on my Patreon page for the $4 or more a month subscribers, just like every other Friday video will be. But we used holographic adhesive vinyl and the cup came from Buc-ee's. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, watch the next part.
Okay, so for the first thing we need to do is download our Cut Decal. Now, if you go to my Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher, and you select the Stay Trippy Cut Decal, you'll select that red link and click Save. Now, this is available for our $4 or more a month patrons. Now, what we need to do is we're going to go down here and go to Corel Draw, go to Upload, go to Upload Image, Browse, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to our bottom of our Downloads folder and click the Stay Trippy Design. There we go. We're going to click Save. We're going to select the image, select Insert Image. Now, as you can see, we have it laid out. Now, this is going on a cup for Nadia, and she designed it because this is what she wanted. So, I need to make sure for height, the image can be no more than 3 inches tall. So, we need to change the size of this design down from 3.9. We're going to make it an even 3 inches, which makes it 2.724 inches wide. Now I want to go ahead and click Weld, because let me show you why I want to click Weld. So if I select Make It, you'll see everything goes in wonky. So we're going to go ahead and click Cancel, select Weld, select all of it, and then select Weld. If we just select Attach, if there's any overlapping little cuts, it will make it funky. Okay, so now as you can see, that's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and click Continue, and we're going to choose vinyl because we're going to use the holographic adhesive vinyl. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will go over.
So as you can see, I have Nadia's cup laid out. She bought this the other day when we went to Buc-ee's, and she wanted me to put a decal on it. So I figured since we were using the holographic adhesive, which is a little bit more difficult to use, I would do it on camera. I just sprayed it down with some denatured alcohol just to make sure there's no grease or fingerprints left. So we can set that to the side, and we're going to go ahead and weed our design. Now, when you're working with holographic adhesive vinyl, it is much more plasticky than your regular adhesive, so it is a little bit more difficult to weed. As you can see, letters are wanting to lift, so we just got to be careful when weeding. So that did okay. We just got to move our little P over. Okay. And she's at that age where, you know, 70s stuff is cool. She's into like holographic and peace signs, and so she designed this, and this is available on my Patreon page for our $4 or more a month subscribers. As I said, since we stopped doing the crafting for Disney, anything that we do on Fridays will be included in for the $4 or more a month. Got to be very gentle right there because this vinyl is plasticky and it wanted to lift. There we go. So we smooth that back down. And this vinyl is available in our adhesives on our website. Now, this isn't one of the Oracals, so it's not on sale this week, but all the Oracal 651 is on sale through Sunday for $1.75 a sheet, down from $2.50, in case you're interested. There we go. Removing all the little centers. And so is the wooden pick, the transfer tape, you know, the drill. Pretty much everything that we're working with is available on the website. Try to make it easy. But you do not have to purchase from us. We love it when you do, but you do not have to do that. Now I'm taking a piece of transfer tape. We're going to cover up the design. Take the hard edge of our squeegee and squeegee it down. Now we're going to lay our cup down. And I'm just placing 2 items on either side so it doesn't move too much. We're going to remove the transfer tape backing. As you can see, it's holographic all the way through. So if you do want to use this on like a glass plate, you could put it on the back side of the plate. So I'm wanting to line the top of the T almost to where it touches the metal, and then squeegee out from the center. And I'm using the soft edge of the squeegee so that way I can make sure it doesn't scratch the cup. But this is powder coated, so it should be fine. Now we're going to remove the transfer tape. Look how cute and easy that was. Now it may be hard to see it on camera since it is holographic, but it looks absolutely adorable. Now if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below, and if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are all tutorials, and Tuesdays are live. Now next week, we will actually have videos all the way up to Saturday, because Saturday will be our Patreon kit tutorial. So I guess that's it. Don't forget we do have a sale going on right now on our website on all of our Oracal 651 permanent adhesive. Sorry, but this is not part of it because this is made by Specialty Materials. But all of the regular permanent adhesives are on sale. They're down from $2.50 for a 12 by 24 inch sheet to $1.75, and that sale ends Sunday. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all on Monday.